And it has a numbers pad. What's up guys, Andrew here on my channel GearedInc, where I get to share what I'm passionate about with you. To my channel, that's PC tech, games, and gear. And it's been a minute since I did a review or a video of any kind. Basically, life has been crazy with job transitions. Me and my wife we sold the house that I'm in. And then I'm gonna be doing reviews from basically a cupboard or a closet or something for the next couple of months while our new house gets built. Today, we are reviewing the Mk007 from MeeTion. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly. Apparently, it's a company that's been around since like 2013, based out of China. So what makes this keyboard unique is a couple of things. The first off is its astounding price. For $27.99, supposedly we're going to get an actual mechanical keyboard. That's one of the biggest appeals, I would think, of this keyboard to begin with. That being said, it is probably using Otemu blue switches, not Cherry Mx, which is fine because my keyboard, the K55, is an absolute beast. I love it to death. And it uses Otemu switches for red. They're good. So that being said, this does come with other features, which is what actually caught my eye about it. It has customizable LEDs and essentially a full metal top. So I'm gonna unbox it with all the typical care I do of a product within this price range. The stickers, man, use a knife. Don't need this plastic. All right, so here's the keyboard itself. Now, first off, I'm actually gonna say something. For $27.99, this thing looks gorgeous. I mean, that metal top really brings out quite a nice finish. It looks surprising. On the back here, we have your standoffs. They're pretty standard, nothing special about that. And then we're gonna give it a quick typing test here. Yeah, that definitely feels like Otemu blue. So I'm actually gonna pry one of the keycaps off real quick. All right, so one of the things I was actually concerned about was that the keycap was gonna be that really thin, translucent plastic that is on cheaper boards. No, this thing is actually fairly solid. There's nothing, inherently weak about it. It does look like they use thicker plastic, which is nice. I'll hold this up so you guys can see here that this is in fact using an Otemu blue switch. So yes, for $27.99, you are getting a mechanical keyboard. Now, one of the best things about this keyboard too is it has a numbers pad, because you guys may remember from a video I did a long time ago, even with gaming keyboards, number pads are a requirement, you savages. So as far as keyboards go, I'm actually going to plug this in and do a comparison now, just some B-roll stuff with my red Otemu, so you guys can get a different look at kind of what this thing is gonna sound like side by side. All right, I wanted to do one more test here. Somebody actually had mentioned this when I did my mic review, but just what the keyboards actually sound like when you have them side by side. So here is the MeeTion, which again is running the Otemu blue switches. And as you can see, my mic is just a couple inches from my face, and this is using an XLR setup. And then for comparison, here is the Z88. All right, guys, so there you have it. Now, I will say one thing. This is probably the best value keyboard that I've ever bought. Is it as nice as like something, $50 plus from Logitech or Corsair? No, but it is a very, very good keyboard for the cost. $28 for mechanical keyboard with, changeable RGB lighting, Otemu blue switches, a numbers pad. Yes, a numbers pad, you savages. And, like a metal top plate, it's hard to beat this type of value. So if you want a mechanical keyboard that has all those features and you want to get on the cheap, this is a great one. I'm very shocked at basically everything you're getting for such a cheap price. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It felt really good to finally get a review out. My life has been absolutely insane. If you did, go and leave me a big thumbs up. If you thought this video was terrible, leave me a thumbs down. Remember to get subscribed and hit that like button, and make sure that you're turning on the bell notification so you know when these videos drop. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna continue to make these videos whether you watch them or not, even if I'm making them out of a cardboard box in the next couple of months. But I hope to see every single one of you next time here on GearedInc. Seriously, it's crazy. It's crazy good value. I'm just Yeah, it's a well-made keyboard, especially for $28. Numbers pad, required. I don't care if you're a gamer. There are tons of games that use a numbers pad.